Hi everyone, I'm back, Elda Arvis. So anyway guys, I'm back for my YouTube channel. Makita mo siguro na nandito ako ngayon sa loob ng sasakyan ko. I will cover to oil change, okay? Oil change, mag-oil change ako ng aking sasakyan kasi medyo expired na yung aking kilometers. So we need to bring to the shop. So anyway, guys, we have fun for my oil change. This is my new adventures. Bago to sa pinupuntahan ko. Instead sa dealer ko kasi sa Toyota, it did need appointment because of the COVID. So, but I don't have time for my schedule. So, I think it's better that I want try to the other one oil changer that my friend recommend me. So, they said it's good. So, anyway, I'll try, okay? I'll try my best, but I hope that everything is okay. And na-check na nila yung aking yung light ko, yung brake, and then now I'm going now to put in papasok na ako dahil tinatawag na nila ako eh. So anyway, let's go and join me, okay? Tinitingnan ko lang tinitingnan ko yung cover muna ako ng aking mask, okay? Kasi nandito na ako sa talyer. I need to put the mask. I need to put park now?
Yeah, just put it in the park, turn it off.
Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
And you can just stay in the vehicle, okay? It's
Oh,
only
sure.
gonna take about 9 minutes.
So you need me to open? Or open this one or close?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Just leave it open.
Sure. Okay guys, pwede tayo dito magtsikahan habang ginagawa nila yung aking
Sorry, what was that,
sasakyan.
Jay?
Ginagawa nila yung aking sasakyan. So, at least, hindi na ako kailangan na